everybody, in this video I wanted to show you how I make this faux popcorn that I used for a prop in our haunted house one year. So to start, you're going to take these packing peanuts like I've got right here and rip them into half or even a little bit smaller. You could go to thirds if you wanted. Then I take one piece and I will roll it between my fingers, smushing it pretty well because you want these to be a little bit smaller than the actual size you want them when they're finished, because they do kind of expand a little bit trying to go back to their normal size. So just remember to make them a little bit smaller than what you actually want. And then I threw them into a box. And once I had all of these packing peanuts ripped and smushed to look like little popcorn pieces, I threw them all into the box. And then I took my box outside and I used this Rust-Oleum Sunburst spray paint and I gave it a coat over the top of it. This is going to be something you're going to do to your taste. I mean, if you want it real bright, you're going to do it a little bit more. If you don't quite want it to have that much of a yellow tinge or tint on it, then you're obviously not going to do it quite so heavily. Then you're going to let this dry. Once this is dry, you will go back out and then you'll shake that box back up. And, you know, that way it kind of flips all the little popcorn pieces over. And then you're going to give it another coat, again, to your desire. And then once you are done with that, your popcorn is ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.